Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Global Rare Coin. Where we explore the fascinating world of coins, their history, and their value. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the South African 50 cents coin, abbreviated as 50C, is a small circulating coin of the rand currency. It was introduced when the currency was decimalised in 1961 and replaced the earlier pre-decimal 5 shillings coin. Retaining its design, dimensions and metal content, the coin is thus directly descended from, and initially compatible with, the British silver crown denomination. The silver version of the 50 cents was only issued for 4 years though. In 1965, the second decimal series was introduced, in which the 50 cents denomination was made of nickel. The denomination was changed to a smaller bronze-plated steel version with the third decimal series in 1990. The reverse features a strelitzia reginae, crane flower or bird of paradise flower, which occurs in the warm valleys of Zululand near the sea. With its long-lasting, brilliant orange and blue flowers, this indigenous plant was introduced into cultivation in England towards the end of the 18th century and became a popular florist plant. The obverse displays the coat of arms of South Africa at its center. This was the old, 1910, coat of arms until 2000, then was updated to the current symbol. The legend was initially bilingual, then one language only, then bilingual again from 2012. An annual rotation of the language of the legend was instituted after 2001, with one of the 11 official languages of the country displayed each year. 50C coins issued in 1996 have now been in circulation for 29 years. Mint South African mint mark no mint mark total mintage 41,016,503, 41.0 million. Obverse South Africa /50 cents 1996, obverse photo within a 9-sided rim. The obverse of the coin displays the coat of arms of South Africa at its center, as granted to the Union of South Africa by King George V and later amended by the British College of Arms. It contains representation of the 4 provinces within the Union. The coat of arms features a shield quartered, each quarter a symbol of one of the 4 provinces of South Africa. An ox wagon represents Transvaal Province, a woman with an anchor represents Cape Province, 2 wildebeests represent Natal Province, and an orange tree represents the Orange Free State Province. The crest of the arms features a lion holding 4 bound sticks. The supporters are a springbok and a gemsbok. Below the arms, the Latin motto, Ex unitate vires, translated at first as, Union is strength, but from 1961 translated as, Unity is strength. Below the coat of arms, on the left side, the initials of the engraver, ALS, for Arthur Sutherland. Around above, the name of the country in Sepedi/Sesotho, Northern Sotho /Southern Sotho Africa Borwa. Below, the date of issue, 1996. Obverse inscription Africa Borwa 1996 reverse South Africa /50 cents 1996, reverse photo within a 9-sided rim. The reverse of the coin depicts a bird of paradise, Strelitzia reginae, commonly known in South Africa as the crane flower, which is native to the country. To the right, the value and abbreviated denomination 50C, 50 cents. Below right, the initials of the engraver LL, for Linda Lotriot.